imagination into reality and stories into screen magic. Welcome to Vivekananda College of Skill Development, where creativity meets technology. Introducing our Diploma in Video Editing and VFX, a one-year power-packed program designed for aspiring creators, storytellers, and digital dreamers. From the basics to brilliance, this course covers everything you need to become a pro: Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, effects and motion graphics, screen strain, compositing, 3D tracking and animation, road scoping and chroma removal, visual effects integration, plus real-world projects, short film editing and music video production experience. Learn from industry experts who have worked on real films and web scenes. Your mentors, not just teachers but creators who live and breathe post-production magic. Why Vivekananda College of Skill Development? Studio-based practical training, professional portfolio development, internship and freelancing support, NSQF aligned and industry-recognized certification. Whether you dream of working in film, TV, OTT or YouTube, this course is your stepping stone to a visual future. Start your journey from raw footage to cinematic brilliance. Admissions are open now unless your creativity master the art of storytelling through video editing and VFX. Contact us today at the number of our Vivekananda College of Skill Development. Thank you.